Hey guys, Mr. Technology Nerd here, and today I have an unboxing of a little thing I picked up on Amazon. I was looking for a portable battery, and this had the best reviews when I saw it. So this is the Anker Astro3E 10,000 milliamp per hour dual 5-volt USB portable battery charger. So it's had some pretty good reviews on Amazon, so hopefully will meet up to my expectations. So of course, charged mobile phones, cameras, PSP, MP3, MP4 devices. Holds enough power for 6 charges for most smartphones. Smart LED indicators to let you know. Charge 2 devices at one time. It is, yes, that's right, it has 2 USB ports. So let's open this thing up. Here's the front of the box. So first here, I guess we have like a little carrying pouch for it. It's pretty cool. Next we have the actual battery itself. Feels like it's made out of, it's cold, probably because it was sitting outside. So we have the 2 USB ports at the bottom and the LED lights right here, I'm assuming. Hopefully I can turn this on for you guys. We have this little Anker, I don't know, like, I'm not sure what this is. A warranty card, and I'm assuming, I think it's a year warranty. 18-month warranty. Wow, that's an awkward number. 18 months of warranty. Some survey, I believe, over here. We'd love to hear from you. Instruction manual. DC input to USB. So it comes with a couple cables for your devices. So these are the little, so it comes with mini USB to a DC. Has the iPod dock connector to DC. Mini USB, or micro, this is micro, yeah, micro USB. And then a DC to DC, and I'm not sure what those are for, but I'll get to them shortly, because I'm not sure how one would charge one of these. Oh, so it charges over micro USB is what I'm getting to, because there's a micro USB port on the side, so it charges via micro USB. Let's see, how does this turn on? So, pushing the middle button turns it on, and the LED lights light up. So let's plug in my phone here into one of the ports and see if it actually has enough energy to charge my phone. Here's my phone. Just stick this in right there. So yep, it does show it is charging. So that's pretty cool, guys. I'll have a review of this in another week. I'll put the link where you can buy it down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, all that social networking stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.